like to bring in texture whenever I can into a design.
Yep,
so a little fur, a little fluff. So this is an old sweater. And I have 5 kids. We have old sweaters tucked around every corner of the house.
Coming out your ears.
Yeah. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your sweater, and I actually cut it apart. So you just find your seams and you cut it.
Right. You just seam rip it out.
Exactly.
Right.
And I love the cables on this. It looks sort of, I like that you can emphasize that texture.
Snubby.
So for this one, once you've cut it apart, you're just upholstering. So all you're going to do, we have a seat from this chair down here, and when you upholster anything, you work.
Just use the upholstery staples.
Yeah,
right?
You just work opposite. You go one here. That's the only trick, is that you want to go back and forth and pull it pretty tight. Because I'm working with a sweater,
stretching the fabric. Right.
Yeah, you don't want bunches and wrinkles. And because I'm using a sweater, I'm going to use more staples than I normally would. So what we would do is we would fill in the staples, and then you want to trim the edges, but because it's a sweater, I don't want it to fall apart. So that's where all the staples come in. And then you can sort of get the idea. You're just going to screw that back in place. Really fun.